Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Toast POS. Review my usage experience. Toast POS Review My Usage Experience offers a review of the Toast point of sale (POS) system. It's aimed at restaurant owners and managers looking to evaluate Toast POS before investing in it. Key features mentioned in various reviews include its online ordering capabilities, inventory management tools, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on the system's features and pricing. Toast POS positions itself as a comprehensive solution for restaurant management, emphasizing ease of use and integration with various other restaurant technologies. They highlight features like real-time reporting and employee management tools. Pricing appears to be tailored to the size and needs of the business, but unfortunately, specifics weren't readily available without a direct inquiry. Availability is nationwide in the US, as far as I'm aware, but it's best to check their website for precise details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Toast POS. Review my usage experience. I used the information gathered from various online sources, including user reviews and blog posts, to get a feel for the system's strengths and weaknesses. Getting started involved sifting through numerous reviews, which took some time. Navigating the information, however, wasn't too difficult thanks to the consistent terminology used across different review sites. I focused on features like the online ordering system and the reporting functionality, examining the pros and cons from different perspectives. The performance of the system, based on my research, seems to depend on the size of the restaurant and internet connectivity. Reviews praised the system's reporting features, but some mentioned difficulties with initial setup. I had a few questions about integration with specific third-party apps, and found helpful articles on their support website that answered those questions. I was really impressed by the depth of information provided by the Toast community forums. One minor drawback was the inconsistency in review scores across various platforms, making it hard to reach a definitive conclusion. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the breadth and depth of my research, and I feel confident in being able to inform potential users about Toast POS's capabilities and limitations. That's my overview of Toast POS. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.